Ghanaian President John Dramani Mahama has called for stronger African-Caribbean ties, urging both regions to turn their shared history into deeper economic cooperation. Addressing a joint sitting of Jamaica's parliament on Tuesday, he described Jamaica as an indispensable member of the global African family, saying the relationship between the two countries was built on shared sacrifice, resilience, and the pursuit of freedom.
Our gathering here today is much more than a diplomatic engagement. It is a reunion of history. It's a celebration of our shared heritage and a reaffirmation that although the Atlantic Ocean may separate our shores, it can never diminish the bonds that unite our people. The relationship between Ghana and Jamaica is unlike many others in the community of nations. It was not forged by treaties alone. It was forged through shared sacrifice, sustained by resilience, and strengthened by a common belief in freedom, justice, and human dignity.
He also reaffirmed Ghana's commitment to reparatory justice, praising Jamaica's leadership on the issue and backing its international advocacy.
Jamaica has provided principled leadership on this important issue for many years. Together, our two nations are ensuring that the descendants of those who suffered history's greatest injustice are neither forgotten or denied a voice in shaping a fairer world. Our advocacy is ultimately about hope. Hope that our future generations will inherit a world in which historical truth is acknowledged, human dignity is upheld, and justice becomes the foundation for lasting reconciliation. And that is the vision that continues to unite Ghana and Jamaica.
Looking ahead, President Mahama called for expanded trade, investment, and cooperation to create jobs and drive growth across both regions.
The task before us is therefore very clear. It is to transform our historical bonds into practical partnerships that create jobs for our people, expand opportunities, and improve the lives of our citizens. The African Continental Free Trade Area, which has its headquarters in Accra, offers unprecedented opportunities for closer commercial relations between Africa and the Caribbean. With a market of more than 1.4 billion people, it provides Jamaican businesses with a gateway to Africa, just as Jamaica can serve as an important bridge for Africa's engagement with the Caribbean and the Americas. Together, we should strengthen trade and investment. We should promote joint ventures between our business people and encourage greater collaboration between our private sector.
The Ghanaian leader also encouraged the young people across Africa and the Caribbean to lead with innovation and help shape a more prosperous future.
And to our youth, I say dream boldly, lead with integrity, innovate with purpose, build enterprises that create jobs, use technology to solve problems, and serve your communities with compassion. And never doubt that you can change and never doubt your ability to change your country, your continent, and the world. Our responsibility as leaders is to build societies that match your ambitions, societies founded on quality education, equal opportunity, innovation, democratic governance, and shared prosperity. If we succeed, the descendants of Africa will not merely have participated in shaping our future, they would have participated in leading it.
President Mahama said he hopes the state visit will mark the beginning of an even stronger partnership between Ghana and Jamaica, built on shared values, closer cooperation, and mutual prosperity.